Vajasneyi Samhita by Kamva, illuminating the path of spiritual wisdom in the Shukla Yajurveda. The Vajasneyi Samhita, attributed to the sage Kamva, stands as a beacon of spiritual knowledge within the Shukla Yajurveda. This article delves into the profound depths of the Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, exploring its origins, composition, ritualistic significance, philosophical insights, and its enduring relevance as a guiding light on the journey of self-discovery. Brief overview. Nestled within the Shukla Yajurveda, the Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, emerges as a reservoir of spiritual wisdom attributed to the sage Kamva. This collection of sacred verses and hymns imparts timeless insights into the nature of existence, the art of rituals, and the interconnectedness of the individual and the cosmic. Origin and composition. The Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, traces its origins to ancient times, encapsulating the Vedic tradition's profound insights. Attributed to the sage Kamva, this Samhita is organized into sections known as kas, each addressing diverse themes and rituals. Its poetic hymns and prose passages reflect the oral tradition's meticulous transmission of knowledge. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, offers intricate insights into rituals and ceremonies. It outlines the ritual's precise procedures, the recitation of mantras, and the symbolism imbued within each action. By adhering to these rituals, practitioners harmonize their existence with the cosmic order, fostering a deeper connection with the divine. Philosophical contemplation. Beyond the surface rituals, the Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, delves into philosophical contemplation. It explores the nature of reality, the relationship between the individual soul and the cosmic consciousness, and the intricate dance between matter and spirit. The verses lead seekers towards a profound understanding of the universe's mysteries. Spiritual insights and symbolism. The Samhita employs symbolism to convey intricate truths. Rituals and concepts serve as metaphors for deeper insights, reflecting the interconnectedness of all existence. Through these symbols, seekers are invited to explore the layers of reality, recognizing the sacred tapestry woven by the cosmic weaver. Enduring relevance. In the modern era, the Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, continues to inspire seekers, scholars, and spiritual enthusiasts. Its teachings transcend time, offering insights into the intricate web connecting rituals, philosophy, and the quest for self-realization. It encourages individuals to seek unity between the external and internal realms of life. Conclusion. The Vajasneyi Samhita, Kamva, stands as a guiding star within the Shukla Yajurveda, illuminating the path of spiritual wisdom. Its verses encapsulate the timeless teachings of the sage Kamva, offering seekers a roadmap to navigate the complexities of existence. By immersing ourselves in its verses, we partake in an ancient journey towards understanding the essence of life, the cosmos, and the eternal quest for self-discovery.